This is Hostinger's website builder. Now, if WordPress felt like a lot, this one is going to feel like a breath of fresh air. Hostinger's website builder is designed to be as simple as possible. You don't need to install themes or plugins or configure anything. When you select Website Builder, you'll land on a screen where you can describe your website idea in a prompt. Tell it what kind of website you want, who it's for, and the vibe you're going for. The more detail you give it, the better your starting point will be. And if you'd rather start from a pre-made template, that option is right there on the same screen. Either option works fine. Once your site is generated, you'll land in the Website Builder editor. Everything here is visual. You've got a sidebar on the left with your elements, pages, styles, and AI tools, and you can click on anything on the page to edit it. If you want to change the text, click it and type. If you want to swap an image, click it and replace it. You can add new sections, rearrange them, and drag elements around the page. It's all drag and drop. It also has built-in e-commerce if you want to sell products, SEO tools to help people find your site, and you can even set up a custom email that matches your domain. Everything you need is all right there. Now, here's the real difference between this and WordPress. It comes down to simplicity versus flexibility. Hostinger's website builder won't give you thousands of plugins or the ability to customize every tiny detail, but that's actually the point. It's built for people who just want a clean, simple professional website that doesn't require tons of plugins or extra tools to work. If you just want to get online fast with something that looks great and you don't want to think about plugins or themes, this is the option for you. And if you want to learn more about the Hostinger website builder, there's a full step-by-step tutorial linked in the description below. And if you haven't grabbed your hosting plan yet, don't forget to go to this link on screen right here, or click the first link in the video description. That link will make sure you're getting the best deal available. And there's also special discount links for Hostinger Horizons and VPS plans linked down below as well.